Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling NFC and confirming the UPI app supports contactless payments. This is essential because the phone and terminal exchange data via the NFC radio. Once done, set your UPI app as the default payment method and complete any required authentication, UPI PIN or fingerprint, so the transaction will proceed without delay. Make sure battery saver is off and keep the screen awake. These small details prevent timeouts when you tap at the merchant terminal. You now initiate the payment by entering the amount or selecting the payee inside the UPI app and choosing the contactless or NFC option. Then hold your phone steady near the merchant terminal's NFC zone. Close proximity for 1 to 2 seconds ensures packet exchange. Next, approve the transaction on your screen using UPI PIN or biometric verification. This step secures payment authorization. Finally, wait for the terminal's beep and the app's confirmation. Only release the phone after you see the confirmed status. You finish by verifying the transaction confirmation in the UPI app and on the merchant's device. Save the transaction ID or screenshot for records. Once done, you can disable NFC if you prefer to limit contactless exposure, then re-enable it later. If the tap fails, first check that NFC and app permissions are enabled, confirm the screen is awake, and retry. If that does not help, restart the phone and try again within 10 seconds of terminal readiness. This resolves most handshake or cache issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.